While creating products on SelGence, there are some calculations made in the background. First off, please provide your VAT rate for the product you want to create, if applicable. Let us take a look at final selling price and price per unit without VAT. These two fields are dependent on each other. If you provide one of them, then you don't need to provide the other as it will be auto-calculated for you. Your final selling price is the final amount to be presented to the customer to pay after adding VAT and your cost. If provided, price per unit without VAT will be auto-calculated. Your price per unit without VAT is the amount you would have charged the customer assuming there is no VAT to be paid. If not known, you may provide your final selling price and your price per unit without VAT will be auto-calculated. Now, let's assume you have a VAT rate of 7.5%, but you don't know how much your final selling price should be. All you know is that you want $1,000 to be your revenue. And the VAT should be added on top of this price so the customer can bear the VAT. So let's fill in $1,000 for price per unit without VAT. Now, we see that the final selling price has been auto-calculated. $75, which is 7.5% of $1,000 has been added on top of your price per unit without VAT and your VAT payable of $75 has been filled in. So the customer will have to pay a total final price of $1,075. Great. Now, let's assume you have a VAT rate of 10%, but you don't know how much your price per unit without VAT should be. All you know is that you want your customer to only pay $1,100 for this product. Good, let's refresh and start again. So let's fill VAT rate of 10%. Then, let's fill in $1,100 for final selling price. Now, we see that the price per unit without VAT of $1,000 has been auto-calculated by subtracting your VAT payable from your final selling price and your VAT payable of $100 is filled in. Great. Lastly, let's take a look at gross profit and gross profit margin. Remember, the higher your cost, the lower your gross profit and gross profit margin. So, let's assume this product costs you $200. Now, let's input $200 as your cost per unit without VAT. Now, we see that the gross profit of $800 has been automatically filled in and your gross profit margin of 80% has also been filled in. If we changed your cost per unit without VAT to $800, we see that your gross profit of $200 has been automatically filled in and your gross profit margin of 20% has also been filled in. Great. So, that's it for our look at the Price Assistant. SelGence. Add intelligence to your business.